Hi dear students, in this video we are going to study about finding average values for large data sets. So average values, you remember mean, median and mode it was. Sorry. And for the mean, if you remember, the sum of all values divided by number of values, and we are going to do all these operations in large data sets. Here the first exercise about the bus journey to complete time taken to complete a bus journey, and there is one data here and frequency. If you remember the frequency, it shows us how many times it occurs. So it means that between 5 and 10 minutes the bus journey completed 4 times, between 10 and 15 18 times completed, and between 15 and 20 minutes 32 times it is completed. If you remember also to how to find the mean, we should find the total sum. For finding the total sum here, the value is not exactly given here. Between 5 and 10 it is not given exactly. It can be 6, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. But to find the approximate value to sum of all values, we are going to do like this. We are going to find the mid-class value. Mid-class value is, here it's going to be 5 plus 10 divided by 2. 5 plus 10 divided by 2. So it's going to be equal to 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5 it's going to be. So this is the m value. For the second one, m value, it's going to be equal to 10 plus 15 over 2, which is between 10 and 15, 12.5. The m value for this one, it's going to be, there's no need to write m value always. 15 and 20, it's going to be equal to here 17.5. Actually times 5, it seems like 17.5. Then 20 to 25, it's going to be 22.5. 25 to 30, it's going to be 27.5. The mid-class value. Why we need the mid-class value? Because if you want to find the total sum between these two, you should multiply with the frequency, and 4 times 7.5, it's going to give us total sum of the time between 5 to 10, which is equal to 4 times 75, 7.5 is equal to 30. It's going to be 18 times 12.5. By using the calculator, I'm telling you this one. Then the total sum, it's going to be 30 plus. So the mean value, it's going to be equal to the sum of all divided by mean value. It's going to be divided by all numbers. That's here 4 plus 18, that makes 22. 22 plus 32, it's 54. 54 plus 14, that's going to be equal to 68. 68 plus 7, that's 75. So 1322.5 divided by 75, it's going to be. So I'm going to divide by 75 here, and the answer 17.6 is the average. To one decimal place, I'm going to do 17.63. Normally it is 17.6 is the mean value of time of the completing one bus journey in this table. Okay, if we continue with median and mode values, if you remember the median, this is from the first example. The mean value is the middle class value. So here totally there are 75 journeys, and from this 75 journey, the mid one is going to be 38. The value is the median value it's going to be, and 38th value, it's going to be here. I think this is 4 plus 18, 22. So 54 it's going to be. So this is the 54th value from small to big if you write. There are 54 values here. So 38th value is between 15, the class of, we are going to find the class of median here. Median is between 15 and 20. It's going to be, because the 38th value, it's going to be between 15 and 20. Okay, what about the mode? Mode, if you remember, it was the most occurred. Here, again, the most occurred is 32 here. So the modal class is going to be between 15 and 20 is our modal class. It's going to be. Now we are going to continue with the new question. Here in the table there are some set of data it is given, and we are going to find model class for each table. Model class, median and mean of the values here. Firstly, we should understand this one, the frequency. What is that one? We don't know, but let's say the set of data 0 to 9, it is not given any unit also here, so we don't know the set of data, but it means that between 0 and 9 it occurs 4 times. So between 10 and 19 it occurs 8 times, between 20 and 29 12 times, and so on. It is continuing. So the model class, it's going to be for the A1 I'm using, and I'm going to give space because I'm going to write the others here. For the model class, we are going to take the which occurs most. So for the model class, 20 and 29 I'm going to write, because what is that one we don't know, but it occurs between 29 and 20 and 29 mostly. So that's going to be model class. And here for the B1 we are going to find the median class. Median class is again 20 to 29 it's going to be, because here when I add them, 4, 8, it is 12 plus 12, it's equal to 24, plus 6, 30, and plus 2, 32. So there are 32 values here, and you know if there are 32 values, it means that 16th value and 17th value, they are the mid values, and these are in 20 and 29th group. So it's not exactly, we don't know the values of 16th value and 17th value, but at the end we are going to find the class here. Median class is 20 to 29. Okay, now we are going to find the mean. For finding the mean, if you remember, first if we should find the mid-class values. So mid-class values between 0 and 9, you know, that is 4.5. 10 and 19, it's going to be 14.5. And always it's going to be by using 10 and by increasing 10 unit, 24.5, 34.5, and 44.5 it's going to be. Okay, we found the mid-class values. 44.5. By the way, when we say class, we mean the values between 10 and 19. So these are one class, and this is one class, 20 to 29. So mid-class value is 4.5 here. And if you want to find the sum, you should, if you remember, firstly add the frequency times mid-class values, which is 4 times 4.5. I'm going to use calculator for this one. 4 times 4.5, which is equal to 18 here. And if we continue like this, so the sum of these numbers are here. That's 724, and if you divide by 32, 724 724 divided by 32, it's going to be equal to 22 point, let me write here again, that's equal to 724. So for the mean value, this is the C1 mean value. If you remember, we are sum of all divided by all numbers. All numbers was 724 divided by 32, which is equal to 22.63 it's going to be.